First see the city skylight shining from my room. Yes, such a sight to see in the month of June. Beautiful like the moon's reflection when it's passing off your skin. And before you let me
guys, I'm back with a human hair wig review that I'm super excited about because it is a unit that I picked up from our friends over at Nadula Hair. And I'm super excited because it is their anniversary sale. So everything on the website is on sale, including this bad boy that I got in the mail today that I'm super excited about. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, as I am a beginner wig wearer, meaning that I've been wearing wigs for almost 15 years, but I cannot comb hair. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. Thank you for sticking with me, even though the fact that I still can't comb hair after 15 years. If you have been here for a while, you know that I've been rocking with Nadula for years now. So when I saw that they had this anniversary sale going on, I knew that it was time for me to get some Nadula hair, because this is the prime time for you guys to get some good quality hair while it is on sale. When I'm looking for human hair, there are three things that I'm looking for. Beginner friendliness. I know this wig is going to be beginner friendly. I'm always looking for affordability. So not only are all the wigs on sale, they also have payment options. So now's the prime time. And quality, and they always give good quality hair. So all I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging because I like to do everything on camera with you guys. The wig comes in this cute storage bag that I use these bags for everything but storing my wig. So cute little bowling bag style bag with their branding on it that, like I said, I use them for everything besides storing the wig. Then the wig comes in its storage box, which is a magnetic closure box. You see the magnets in there, so you ain't got to worry about it flipping up and down. So inside of the box, not only do we have the wig, we have a bunch of extras. So hold on, let me take out the wig. Okay, the other things that they have included in here besides the wig, we have 2 packs of HD wig caps. They gave us 2 edge bands. You can never have enough of those. Oh, another pack of HD wig caps in a different tone. So, yeah, they're different tones. A lighter set, a darker set. Some press-on nails. A silk storage case with their branding on it. And this is actually new. So let me open this up. Because I'm used to getting those extras, but I've never seen this. So let's see what this is. I think it's a bonnet. Is it a bonnet? Yes, it's a bonnet with their branding on it. And it has the silk scarf bands going around it. So this is something that I would actually use. I love that. And it's cute, like the color. As far as the wig, I'm just reading directly off of here. But like I said, look in the description box and you'll see all the details. I picked up a 7x5. Easy. Bye knots, easy. Lace wig. I got it in 24 inches. It is a loose wave and it is in the color FB30. This is a wig. I want to say this is one of the wigs I got that has the bangs in it. So I'm super excited. Let's take it out of this packaging so we can look at the cap construction and everything else about this wig. Yes, this is a bang wig. Y'all, when I am looking for hair, you remember, I've been wearing wigs for almost 15 years. Has it been 15 years? Maybe like 10 years. 10 years and I still can't comb hair, and I'm gonna be honest, that's something that probably won't change. Okay, so when I can get a wig from Nadula that's already been colored, already been curled, the bangs have already been cut in it, already plucked, everything has already been done for me as a beginner or somebody that cannot comb hair, I absolutely love that. So this is a loose wave, and those curls, if somebody said, in order to live, you have got to achieve this curl, y'all, I wouldn't be amongst the living anymore, because I could never do that. So I absolutely love those loose wave curls that have already been put in for me. If you look, they already have the bang there. So this is going to be a super easy wig. Not only is it 7x5, it's a bang, which is easier to style. Okay, there's that 7x5 parting space that looks really, really good. And then we have some adjustable straps. We have an adjustable glueless band that's been put in. And we have the part that I love the most now, these drawstrings that makes the wig fit so comfortably and flush to my little almost bald head. Okay, so I can already tell you I love everything about this wig. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on my head, brush out these curls, give you a 360. I probably will do some some up, some down, or something like that to show you that even though I can't comb hair, the Nadula makes it super easy. So I'll do that, give you a 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
First see the city skylight shining from my room. Yes, such a sight to see in the month of June. Beautiful like the moon's reflection when it's passing off your skin. And before you let me in, I hear you say, it's been a long time. I say, okay, don't worry, I got you. Do you say, how about some fun? Got me, I got you. Do you say some slow? Got that shiny out, green and Marvin Gaye too. So love you gently. Ooh, let me love you. Lay back, relax, girl, I'm a big First see the city skylight shining from my room. Yes, such a sight to see in the month of June. Beautiful like the moon's reflection when it's passing off your skin. And before you let me in, I hear you say, it's been a long time. I say, okay, don't worry, I got you. Do you say, how about some fun? Got me, I got you. Do you say some slow? Got that shiny out, green and Marvin Gaye too. So love you gently. Ooh, let me love you. Lay back, relax, girl, I'm a big First see the city skylight shining from my room. Yes, such a sight to see in the month of June. Beautiful like the moon's reflection when it's passing off your skin. And before you let me in, I hear you say, it's been a long time. I say, okay, don't worry, I got you. Do you say, how about some fun? Got me, I got you. Do you say some slow? Got that shiny out, green and Marvin Gaye too. So love you gently. Ooh, let me love you. Lay back, relax, girl, I'm a big First see the city skylight shining from my room. Yes, such a sight to see in the month of June. Beautiful like the moon's reflection when it's passing off your skin. And before you let me in, I hear you say,
Y'all know I love me a messy, tousled look, right? Even most times my life is tousled in shambles, and I love a wig that will match. So the fact that I can pull this wig up because of that drawstring, which I probably showed you footage of me pulling that, and you just tuck the drawstring under. The fact that I can pull this wig up and it feels secure on my head due to that drawstring makes this wig top notch. Whether you wear it up or down, this is a wig that's just bomb. As a matter of fact, let's take it down while I have you guys on camera. Let's brush it back out. I think that this is a wig, whether you wear it up or down, I think that this is a wig that you definitely need in your arsenal because of the versatility of this unit. I like it both ways. I've even had one of these wigs before by Nadula, but I just had it in a regular black, and I wore it half up, half down, and I got a lot of compliments on that one. So this is one that I think you have so many styling options with this wig, and you will not go wrong by picking this one up. I do absolutely love the color that FB30 that Nadula put on this wig. The coloring job is absolutely gorgeous. I love the parting space. I love the bangs. I don't have a single con about this wig. Like I said, this is one that you will love when you get it home. You don't have to get it. How many inches is this? This is 24 inches. Let me push y'all back so y'all can see. This is 24 inches. If you don't like this length, if you don't think it's long enough, or if you think that it is too long, know that you have this wig available in other length options as well. Like I said, I don't have a con about this one, and I think this is one that you definitely need in your arsenal for spring. If you're out and about like this and you get hot, the fact that you can just throw it up in a messy bun, top notch in my book. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are on this unit. Do you like it? Do you like it better up, better down? Do you like it both ways? Just talk to me in the comments. If you're a beginner, especially like me, tell me if you think that this is one that you can work with. Be sure to check out that anniversary sale from Nadula because like I said, everything is on sale right now. So if you're on the edge about do I need any human hair? Now's the time to buy it while it's on sale. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.
First see the city skylight shining from my room. Yes, such a sight to see in the month of June. Beautiful like the moon's reflection when it's passing off your skin. And before you let me in, I hear you say, it's been a long time. I say, okay, don't worry, I got you.